This is the McDonald's Happy Meal Playtime continuous activity sheets, and I got this from happymeal.com. Very nice activity sheets. This is for the HarperCollins Children Books Edition, and it comes with this nice word search to find all of these words over here. And then this one here is a matching book where we have to find there are four books that match here. We gotta find those four, and it comes with this bookmark, so you could use it for your books, and you could color it, and you could sign it too. Pretty cool. Let's begin. The word search over here, I found all of the words, except I want to say for one of the words, which is cookies. I found cookie here, so all I do is get rid of the S over here. I don't think it's cheating. So there, now we found cookie. Now all of the words are found. And then this one over here, I found the four matching ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the bookmark here, I drew it with stars on it. I colored it. Now it's ready to be cut. I put my signature here. Why? Because if we read this book, if we give a mouse a cookie, it tells us after we draw, we put our signature on it, so not valuable. Pretty nice playtime continuous activity sheets from McDonald's Happy Meal. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.